Welcome all of you. Dear student, I welcome you all to the class of mathematics. Dear students, previous lecture we have discussed about some definitions and example: transpose conjugate of matrix, skew symmetric matrix, Hermitians of matrix. Now, next example is if A is a square matrix, then prove that first A plus A transpose is a symmetric, and second is A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric. We know the already definition of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. I have explain the definition of skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix capital A is equal to Aij is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Condition is A Aj is equal to minus AGI for all I and j. Thus, the diagonal element of a skew symmetric matrix are all zeros. This is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, and we know the transpose conjugate of matrix. The transpose conjugate matrix of capital A is said to be transpose conjugate matrix, and you know it is denoted by a star or a to the power theta. Now solution is first condition: A plus A transpose is a symmetric. Here A plus A transpose to the bracket transpose is equal to A transpose plus A transpose into bracket transpose is equal to A transpose plus A. We know the condition of A transpose bracket transpose is equal to A. Already prove that the properties of A transpose bracket transpose is equal to A is equal to, the solution is A transpose plus A. This is A plus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. And second is we have A minus A transpose bracket transpose is equal to, this is a bracket transpose is separately A transpose minus A transpose bracket transpose is equal to, this condition is A transpose bracket transpose is equal to always A. That's why A transpose minus A is equal to, minus is common, A minus A transpose. Hence A minus A transpose is always skew symmetric matrix. Now next example: if A and B are two symmetric matrices of the same order, show that AB is a symmetric if and only if AB is equal to BA. काय प्रूफ करायचं आपल्याला? दोन मॅट्रिक्स आहेत आणि ते कोणते सिमेट्रिक मॅट्रिक्स आहेत, त्यांची ऑर्डर सुद्धा सारखी आहेत. शो काय करायचं आपल्याला? ए बी इचं काय करायचं आहे, मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं आहे, ए एन बीचं काय करायचं आहे, सिमेट्रिक मॅट्रिक्स प्रूफ करायचं आहे. आणि कंडिशन इज ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी ए. Now solution is, if is a given that A and B are symmetric matrices, therefore A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to B. This is a skew symmetric matrix A and B. That means A is equal to A transpose and B is equal to B transpose, and both are the symmetric matrix and order is same. Let AB is equal to AB be symmetric, then to prove that AB is equal to BA, we have AB transpose is equal to BA by definition of a skew symmetric matrix, symmetric matrix, or BA is equal to AB since AB transpose is equal to BA, therefore AB is a symmetric matrix. Conversely, suppose that AB is a symmetric matrix, then to prove that AB is equal to BA, we have AB conjugate is equal to B conjugate into A conjugate is equal to, the B conjugate into A conjugate is equal to BA. Here A transpose is equal to A, B transpose is equal to B. The condition is B transpose into A transpose is equal to B transpose is a B, A transpose is a A. Therefore, AB transpose is equal to AB transpose is equal to BA. Now, next example is show that every square matrix can be expressed in one and only one way as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Solution: let A be a square matrix, then we can write A is equal to, this is a 1 by 2 of 2A, 2 to get cancelled, is equal to A, both are similar, is equal to 1 by 2 is 2A is equal to A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose. A is equal to 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 of A minus A transpose is equal to P plus Q, where P is this equation 1 by 2 A plus A transpose, and this is a Q. Q is a 1 by 2 is equal to A minus A transpose. We are to show that P is a symmetric and Q is a skew symmetric matrix. See, the first P is a symmetric matrix. P is equal to 1 by A plus A transpose is equal to 1 by 2 of, in bracket, A plus A transpose is bracket transpose is equal to 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose bracket transpose, and P transpose is equal to 1 by 2 of A transpose plus A transpose bracket close is equal to 1 by 2 of, the A transpose bracket transpose is equal to A. That's why your solution is 1 by 2 of A transpose plus A. This is a P. This is a, the P is value 1 by 2 A transpose plus A. Therefore, P is a symmetric. Now again, Q is equal to 1 by 2 of A minus A transpose, and Q transpose is equal to 1 by 2 of A minus A transpose bracket transpose is equal to 1 by 2 of A minus A transpose bracket transpose, and Q dash is equal to 1 by 2 of bracket of A transpose minus A transpose bracket transpose is equal to 1 by 2 of A transpose minus A is equal to Q. Your Q is equal to, solution is 1 by 2 of A transpose minus A. This is a skew symmetric matrix. Now, next definition, determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a square matrix, let capital A is equal to matrix Aij order n by n, means square matrix be a square matrix of order n by n. Therefore, this is a general definition of determinant matrix of A is equal to, this is all is the element A11, A12 up to A1n, second row A21, A22 up to A2n, and last row AN1, AN2 up to ANN. This matrix is order n by n. That means this matrix and determinant of, this is the symbol of determinant of A is equal to, write this A11, these are the element, and this determinant is the order n by n, is called the determinant of a matrix capital of A, and it is denoted by determinant of A, or det of, that means determinant of A is equal to determinant of A, as A, since is a determinant, the number of row is equal to the number of column, therefore only square matrix can have determinants. Means determinant, the condition is that the number of row is equal to number of columns, therefore only square matrix can have a determinant. So students, stop here.